To add a candidate to one or more requirement shortlists, open the candidate record. In the Actions menu, select Add to Shortlist. Click Add to locate one or more requirements. Use the search criteria to locate any existing requirement using the grid filter. Add one or more requirements and click Add Contact. The Requirements tab for this candidate now contains a link to all requirements against which this candidate has been shortlisted. Open the requirement. The candidate is shown inside the shortlist for this requirement, together with any other previously shortlisted candidates. Candidates can also be added to the shortlist directly from the Requirement Candidate search. Run a search for candidates using a combination of search criteria or by loading a saved search. Keep adding search fields as needed. A separate video is available explaining searches in more detail. Click the Search button. Candidate summaries can be viewed individually, using the magnifying glass icon to pop up the Contact Preview window. This preview allows you to see summary information about each candidate in the search results. To move a candidate from the Search Results tab to the Shortlist tab, select the candidate and run the Add to Shortlist action. The candidate will be moved from the search results into the shortlist, where you will be able to run very powerful automation workflows. These workflows are called actions and allow you to automate repetitive and tedious tasks such as sending CVs, scheduling interviews, make offers, create placements, reject candidates, and much more, all using the Shortlist Actions menu. You can open any candidate record by clicking any of the Open buttons. Click the Open CV button to display the candidate's original CV, which can also be downloaded and opened or edited locally. You can also add other candidates to the shortlist by clicking the Add button. Exclude or reject candidates from the shortlist by clicking the Reject button, which causes the candidate to be sent to the Rejected tab. or remove candidates from the Rejected tab by clicking the Remove button, allowing you to shortlist the candidate again if necessary. In this example, we'll send a CV to the client by running the CV Send action. The left area of the CV Send action window is designed to help you customize the email message produced when you run this action. Choose one of up to 4 formatted CVs for the selected candidate. Choose the name of the generated formatted CV attachment using the CV naming option. Enable or disable the automatic insertion of a header and footer to the formatted candidate CV. Enable or disable the automated insertion of a CV cover sheet. This cover sheet can be edited using the Template Editor button. Choose to attach the formatted CV as an Adobe PDF or Microsoft Word document. Choose the preferred CV Send email template with options for single and multiple CV send, allowing you to send multiple CVs in one go. You can edit the email template using the Template Editor button. Enter a mergeable custom email message subject if desired. Choose to attach candidate CVs to the email message. Add any attachments, such as, for example, your terms and conditions. When you run a CV Send action, a note can be automatically added to the client, candidate, and requirement records. A scheduled alarmed task can be automatically added to your diary manager for follow-up. Use the Save Settings button to save default settings which will be used next time you run the same action. Click Run to begin the automated CV send, and you will see an Outlook email message automatically presented on screen. Finally, press Send. You will now see the date in which the CV send took place for this shortlisted candidate. The Notes tab contains an automated entry confirming the CV send with fully descriptive detail. The Tasks tab contains an entry reminding you to follow up on the CV send. The scheduled task is also shown in your diary manager with optional alarm. You can also send job specifications to candidates. Simply check that you're happy with the action settings, change anything you wish, and then run the action. Click Send in the generated email message. Scheduling both telephone and face-to-face interviews can be done using the Interview action. Select an existing company address for the interview, or add an ad hoc address manually, for example, an interview at a coffee shop. Select the date and time of the interview. Enable or disable an automated follow-up diary entry. Edit both client and candidate confirmation email templates and click Run. Two email messages are automatically generated to both the client and candidate, confirming interview details. Send these email messages. You can also confirm offers by running the offer action and configuring the action settings before automatically producing emails. Confirming offers is done using the Offer Accepted action. Simply confirm the action settings and then click Run. Follow the same process to run the Offer Rejected action. To place a candidate, run the Placement action and confirm the details for the placement in the action window. Once you're happy with the placement details, simply click Run to produce a brand new placement record. In a placement record, you will find a complete summary of the placement details. You can easily generate placement documentation using the Contract Documents action. Simply choose the type of documentation you wish to automatically generate and email, then click Run. The generated email contains merged attachments for maximum convenience.